Hello, my name is Vedansh Tembhre, and today I'll be speaking in favor of using AI in high stake decision making, specifically in areas like hiring and judicial systems. There's no doubt that AI raises important ethical concerns, but when used responsibly, it offers powerful tools to eliminate inconsistencies, reduce bias, and increase fairness. Human decision making is often affected by emotional fatigue or unconscious prejudice, and that's where AI can help bring in consistency, scale, and objectivity. Let's begin with fundamental question. Why should we trust AI in these areas? The answer lies in AI's ability to process large volume of data without fatigue or emotional bias. AI can bring standardization and consistency, something humans often struggle with due to personal bias or judgment variability. One of the strongest cases for AI is in recruitment. Human recruiters, despite training, often make our decisions influenced by conscious bias. For example, based on candidates' name, gender, or background. In contrast, AI systems can be trained to focus strictly on merit based factors such as skills, qualification, and experience. Let's look over a concrete example. A multinational company, Unilever faced a challenge of processing hundreds and thousands of job applications every hour. Human recruiters were spending huge amount of time manually screening the resume, often making subjective decisions influenced by unconscious bias, sometimes favoring familiar names, elite universities, or certain demographics. To address this, Unilever adopted an AI recruitment process. The process had three main steps. One, online games. Candidates first completed neuroscience based games that evaluated traits like risk taking, memory, and emotional intelligence. Second, AI video interviews. Next stage involved structured video interviews where candidate answered questions on camera. The AI evaluated their answers based on facial expression, tone, and word choice. Third, final human review. Only top candidates filtered purely on performance were passed to human recruiters for final interview. The results were impressive. Unilever reported a 90% reduction in time on hiring, significant improvement in hiring diversity, and a better alignment between hires and job requirements. Importantly, the AI didn't look at person's name, gender, and background. It focused purely on skills and job relevant behavior. This led to more objective hiring outcomes and freed up time for recruiters to focus on higher value interaction. So instead of replacing human judgment entirely, AI helped enhance it, making the hiring process faster, fairer, and more data driven. Moving on to the judicial system, AI is being explored as the way to assist judges in making more consistent and data driven decisions. Unlike humans, AI systems are not influenced by courtroom, emotions, fatigue, or external pressure. Instead, they analyze case data objectively and apply consistent criteria. This results in improved fairness, especially in sentencing, where historically similar cases often resulted in vast different outcomes. AI tools like risk assessment algorithms can help recommend sentencing based on legal precedents and public safety indicators. Of course, one common concern is that AI can also be biased, and it's true. If data is trained on reflects historical bias, the outcome can be skewed. However, this doesn't mean we should reject AI altogether. Instead, we need to improve it through rigorous audits, transparency, and inclusion of diverse training data. The key is oversight and continual refinement. So rather than blaming the technology, we should focus on improving the way to build and use. In conclusion, AI offers significant potential to reduce human bias, improve consistency, and enhance efficiency in both hiring and judicial decision making. While it's not perfect, AI, when carefully designed and properly regulated, can help us build fairer and more equitable systems. Thank you.
Write a script for my social issues project. Nice. Wait, you're not supposed to see that.
So, why should we be skeptical of AI's growth influence? Let's talk about it.
Artificial intelligence may seem magic, but magical tricks often hide darker truths. We all know how AI is being hyped as the future, automating jobs, writing essays, and even generating art. But what no one talks about enough is the cost. Not just in jobs, but in bias, in privacy, and in autonomy. Let's start with jobs. From farmhouse workers to writers, AI systems are replacing humans at an alarming rate. Unlike past revolutions, AI isn't just replacing muscle, it's replacing mind. If intelligence is itself automated, then what contribution is left for humans in the society? Bias, you bet. AI trains on data, and our data, whether you admit it or not, is biased. So when AI makes a decision, whether it be loans, hiring, or even policing, it doesn't do so neutrally. It reflects the worst part of us at scale. Privacy? Already gone. AI models thrive on surveillance data from our phone, our faces, even our voices. Every prompt, every photo, every scroll, you are literally feeding the machine. We are not users anymore, we are training data. Technology should serve people, not the other way around. AI is powerful, yes, but unchecked power without accountability is a recipe for disaster. Let's pause, let's regulate, let's put human life first, because the future shouldn't be coded by those who profit most, but shaped by those who live in it.